Okay, very important yung sinabi ni Aldrin na yun. Actually, what he's also saying is, he's actually spreading the risk. Yeah? Kasi pag binigay mo lahat sa direct customers, tapos hindi ka nang hindi sa reseller mo, pag hindi bumili yung mga direct customers mo, saan mo bebenta ngayon? Yeah? So, importanteng meron kang relationship with resellers kahit mas maliit yung margins. Yeah? Ngayon naman, pag binigay mo naman sa resellers mo, lahat, pag nasana yung customer mo na hindi ka nagbebenta yung mga direct customers mo, hindi na sila babalik sa'yo.
Opo, maghahanap po sila ng ibang supplier or ibang mabibilhan po ng lettuce.
Yes. At pag tumigil din kumuha yung reseller mo for whatever reason, because that's business eh, edi now you're left with your pants down. So it's very important, we've learned from the engineer himself, yeah, na spread your risk. Yeah? Kalimutan mo na yung kung saan ka mas malaki kita, mas importante you spread your risk. Kasi yung kita, pera hindi mo yan mapipigilan pag may letsugas kang ganitong kagaganda. Hindi mo mapipigilan pumasok. But what you have to manage is risk.